Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday and I hope you're all having a great week. Well, today we're going to start this one and I'm calling it Peaceful Courtyard, and we are going to be starting right down here in these reddish colored flowers. The first color is 321 red. And the next color is going to be a green 3347, because I don't think that this red is going to go very far. So we'll just play it by ear here. How we doing, peeps? Oh my goodness. Yeah. I am so glad it's Thursday. Because yesterday, yeah. It was drag, and cold all day long. Yep. That's just the way that it was. So I was happy to get home. I had to go to the grocery store because it's supposed to snow, I don't know, today, tomorrow, you know. In the future, one never knows around here. So I thought, well, that way I don't have to go out in the cold first thing today. So, yeah, I was not looking forward to that happy stuff. Not at all. But as it turns out, if it's going to snow maybe tomorrow, then I might have to go do laundry today. We'll see how the day progresses. How's that? Get you all here in the middle. Oh my goodness gracious. I worked on, let's see, what was it? Oh my goodness. It's been that kind of a week. The peony house for a little bit. But not very much. In fact, I took a 2-hour nap before I even went to work. I was just that tired. So, what is everybody else working on? I hope you're working on something fun and exciting. I have no idea what the flavor of the weekend's going to be. I mean, as far as what I'll be stitching on. I do know what the actual flavor of the weekend is going to be, because I'm making chili. If it's getting cold, I am going to have red chili. So, yay. I didn't want to go through the whole mess of making up a big batch of green chili, because that just wasn't happening, so. We'll just throw together some chili, and I can eat it for 2 or 3 days, or have a burrito in there somewhere. I have all the stuff for that as well. So just kind of setting myself up for something nice and warm and comforting, shall we say. We're just going to go right down to here. I know I don't do that very often, but, you know, just don't want to have to stop and start. And if this goes well, maybe I'll stitch on it for a while. Excuse me. And I didn't know right where to start, because it seems like every color that had something huge, I mean, a bigger place to stitch with. Yeah, it was like 3865 or a pale purple, or, yeah, or something else ridiculous. So, yeah, we'll get there. So I wanted to start with a red color, if I could. Red, or maybe a pink color. Just felt like red today. I know that's kind of weird because usually I like to start with blue. So, but I don't, yeah, there is some blue, but it's the blue that I would have picked was those shutters or part of the window. So, yeah, didn't want to go that far into it because that's more, I want to say towards the middle, but it's not exactly the middle, but it's just too far to hold that much material in my hands. So, yeah. So anybody going anywhere this weekend? Gonna do anything fun or exciting? I don't think much is going on around here as far as events or anything of that nature. There's certainly no snow, so there won't be any snowboarding or snowmobiling events right here, so we'll see. But the event might turn out to be the snow this weekend, so, you know, we just kind of play it by ear around here. No plans to go down to Walmart or anything. Because, yeah, my daughter, she ain't about that happening when it's snowing, and it better be a dang emergency, because, yeah. Otherwise, no, we're not going to go do that. Neither her or I like to drive on snow and ice that far. It's like a 45-minute ride, so, yeah. And it's a wide-ish road. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the road. It just gets to be a little much in the snow. And usually if they know the snow is coming, then they put that, I'll call it a chemical, I don't know that it is or it isn't, down on the road. So, when I looked at the weather, it said, it didn't say any amount of precipitation for Friday, but as the weekend went on, it was going to be like 1 to 3 inches. So, yeah, we'll just see what happens. Probably nothing, but, you know, hey, we're prepared one way or the other. As usual. We can stay inside. Of course, the kids got to go to school today and tomorrow, so don't see them getting all head up about it. We all had that mindset of, well, whatever, you know, if it ever says. It said about 15 times between now and probably October, it's gonna snow, it's gonna snow. Yeah, Here we are, we get flurries. Not even hardly enough to cover the ground. I think maybe once. Yeah, not my idea of a good time. But that was melted off by noon. So, yeah, not happening. We'll see. We're about due. But yeah, I thought I better, because, you know, if I didn't go to the grocery store, it'd snow like crazy today, see? That's how that would all come out. Yeah. So, you just do things ahead of time when your body goes, yeah, let's do that, because if we procrastinate and put it off, yeah, we're messed up every time. For sure. Kind of a pretty green. It's kind of a, I don't know, I want to say a dark grass green, because it's not an olive green. I don't know how to put it. Then it looks darker than the thread once I get it stitched, so we'll see. There was a lot more of this than there was of the red. It was just kind of sprinkled in there, and there may be another shade of red, you know, that goes, but I wasn't about it. I just find something to stitch. Some days. But that top right hand corner, let me show you. This right in here, that purple, it's real pale, plus all the background around or behind those flowers and by the shutters, it's all 3865. Or ecru. One of those two. Yeah. So I won't be starting up there. I may just carry on, you know, in this section. At least it's got something colorful to stitch, shall we say. Yeah. Like to get back to my basket and my rabbit in the library this weekend. So they're on my hit parade. We will just wait and see. Haven't watched much on, what do you call it, Netflix. I think, is it next week that a new, we'll call it season of Bridgerton comes out, but I don't think that does until like Thursday or Friday of next week-ish, somewhere in there. So, looking forward to that. It'll give us something new to watch, and something in a series, so to speak. Anybody else watch Bridgerton like that? You know, kept up with all the seasons. It's pretty good. You know, some of them I can take with a grain of salt, and other ones, not so much. So. But I still like the very first one the best. Second one wasn't too bad. Third one kind of drug along. So, yeah. Alright, guys. That down there. Gotta flip it around. It's kind of big, so it was a little hard to get it all folded together there so I could, you know, with my clips and stuff, just so it fit on my desk. So, yeah. So, that just continues kind of across-ish and just a little bit scattered up in here with that red. So, it was starting to peter out. Alright, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.